Hi guys, it's William. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. I know, thousands, hundreds, millions of recipes of banana bread on the internet, and I still share that with you because I want you to have the perfect banana bread recipe that you can go to whenever you have that craving of banana delicious rich cake like this one. This banana bread is so moist you will die, so let's get right to it. So first of all, of course, I'm going to use some bananas and I'm going to smash them down until I have a very nice and pureed consistency. Please use very ripe bananas. They need to be brown. I know it sounds disgusting for most people, but that's actually how I like them. You need to have very dark and brown bananas to make a good banana bread and have the perfect flavors. So that's what I'm going to do, just smashing them up. Perfect, now I'm going to add 3 eggs and I'm using large eggs, and then some oil. I'm using vegetable today. I'm also going to add my sugars, and I'm using a mix of brown sugar and white sugar. It's very important to use the brown sugar for taste and texture, it's amazing. And of course, some vanilla extract, and I'm also using some cinnamon. You can definitely leave it out if you hate cinnamon. Many people do, and I still don't know why today, but I'm using it in my banana bread. Now for the dry ingredients, of course, I'm using some all-purpose flour, and I'm also going to add to it some baking powder. Then I'm adding a decent pinch of salt just to bring out the flavors even more. And some chocolate chips. You can use some dark chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, leave out the chocolate chips, whatever you want. And I'm going to mix all of my dry ingredients and then add them to my liquid batter. I'm using a very traditional banana bread mold for this recipe, and I'm going to butter it with some normal butter, and then I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper right down the bottom of the pan just to make it easier when we'll unmold the banana bread after baking. And I'm going to pour all of my butter in my pan. Perfect, add in a few chocolate chips on top just to make it even more prettier. And then we can bake our banana bread in our preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. That's 350 in Fahrenheit if you are in the US. And I'm going to bake it for about 50 minutes to an hour. It really depends on the size of your mold. Please use some aluminum foil on the cake if it becomes too brown on top. You can definitely let it bake with it on top, and that way you won't have a burnt banana bread. And then I'm going to let it rest at room temperature and cut your slice. So as you can see, the banana bread is so moist and rich, it's amazing. This recipe is foolproof and so easy to make. Even kids can make them very easily, so please do make it with your family or friends. You can also add other ingredients in this recipe like pecans, walnuts, or whatever you want to add. Just please do, it will be very nice anyway. The list of ingredients is in the description box down below this video, so just write down there. Also, you can find the links of the social media where to follow me, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I will see you next time for another amazing recipe. Bye!